Welcome to the Cove Library Makerspace and to this short video to get you started making your first project using the 3D printer. This is what we'll be making today, a keyring. Tinkercad is a free web-based 3D design software. You can go to tinkercad.com and create a free account. Once you are logged in, press Create 3D Design. This will set up a blank work plane for you to create your design. On your blank work plane, you'll see that there's a grid set up in millimeters so that you can see the size of your design. There's navigation on the left-hand side, so you can use this cube to view your design in 3D. There's a home button to reset the view. There's a fit so that you can zoom in on your view, as well as zoom buttons. Across the top, there are some tools that you can use to design as well. There's group, ungroup, align, mirror. There's also an undo and redo button. On this side, there are basic shapes. To start, we'll pull over a shape. I'll select this box and I'll drop it on the work plane. We need to resize it for our keyring. So I'll make it 60 millimeters by 15 millimeters and we'll make it 3 millimeters high. We'll also need to cut a hole out of this rectangle for our keyring. To do that, these are the cross-hatched shapes at the top. I'll pull over the cylinder and I'll resize this as well. I'll make it 6 millimeters. 6 millimeters high as well. Now I'll pull this over onto the rectangle. Now you can change your view by rotating the cube up the top. Now I will select both of the objects by drawing a circle around it, dragging the mouse from the bottom corner, and I'll press the alignment tool. So we want to center this, so I'll press that one, and now they're centered. Okay, so then select all the objects again, and we'll group them by pressing the Union Group tool. Once we've done that, you can see that the hole's been cut out of the shape. Now let's continue the design by adding some text. So in basic shapes, I'll just pull the text over and drop it on the work plane. You can change the text in this box, and you can also change the font. Now I'll resize this so that it fits onto my keyring. Let's make it 40 by about 10. I'll make this one 5 millimeters high. So you can pull this onto your keyring as well. So then you can continue to design your keyring by pulling over other basic shapes. Make sure that they overlap with the keyring so that it all prints as one. Once you're happy with your design, select all the objects by drawing the red box around them from the bottom corner, and we'll group them again. This means that it all then moves as one. Once we're finished with the design, we can export it. Press the export button. We export as an STL. This will open it up in Cura, where we can slice up the design. Cura is the software that we use to prepare your design for printing. Again, we can change the view by pressing on the cubes down here to change the angles. What we want to do here is set the printing parameters as well. You can do that by clicking on this space to access the print settings. We have the resolution set at fast, which means it prints 0.2 millimeter layers. The infill density is set at 15%, and we select adhesion. Once we're happy with the print settings, you can press Slice. Slice will tell you how long your print will take to print. When you've sliced your file, you can save it to disk and come and see the staff, and we'll help you load it up to the 3D printer. And once it's printed, here's the finished article, our keyring. Thanks for watching this video. Remember, stay safe, tidy up your space, and come back. The Makerspace is open on the first and second Thursday of every month.